Hi, hello, job aspirants. Welcome to PKB channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the advertisement given for walk-in selections for 110 post of project engineer for software SBU Bangalore. We'll see the information about post, discipline, reservations, number of posts, job location, age limit, remuneration, mode of selection, how to register. Before entering into the video, dear job aspirants, those who didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe now. So let's enter into the video without wasting time. Engagement of the project engineer. Software SBO of Bharat Electronics Limited, a Navaratna company and Indian premier professional electronics company, requires following professional on contract basis as a project engineer. The selections will be held through the walk-in at 3 locations: Jammu, Ranchi and Guwahati. So post is project engineer. Discipline is BE, b.tech or BSc, engineering 4 years, electronics or telecommunication or electronics and communication or electronics and telecommunication or electrical and electronics, electrical or communication or mechanical or computer science and engineering or computer science engineering or information science or information technology. So these are the disciplines eligible for this post of project engineer 1. Coming to the reservations, unreserved 22 posts are there, EWS 5 posts, OBC 14 vacancies, SC 17 vacancies, ST 4 vacancies. For the location, Visakhapatnam. Number of posts present for the job location Visakhapatnam is 52. Now coming to the reservations at the job location New Delhi, Ghaziabad, Bangalore. Number of posts offered is 58. In that, unreserved 21. EWS 7, OBC 16, SC 8 and ST 6. Only those candidates who are willing to post to the above locations may apply. So those who are interested to that particular locations, they need to apply. Minimum percentage of marks in BE or b.tech or BSc engineering, general or OBC, EWS 55% and above. PW, BD, SC, ST pass class is enough. So upper age limit is 32 years as on 1/2/2023. So relaxation will be given for the category OBC non-creamy layer, 3 years age relaxation. Scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe, age relaxation is up to 5 years. Person with benchmark disability, PWBD, having minimum 40% disability, age relaxation is 10 years. Terms of engagement and remuneration. Project engineer for Vizag location 52 post. The duration is for 2 years. The candidate will be paid a consolidated remuneration of rupees 40,000 and rupees 45,000 during the first and second year of the contract. For New Delhi, Ghaziabad, Bangalore location 58 posts. The initial duration is for 3 years, which can be extended up to 1 year. Total 4 years duration based upon the project requirement and individual performance. The candidate will be paid a consolidated remuneration of rupees 40,000, rupees 45,000, rupees 50,000 and rupees 55,000 during the first, second, third and fourth years of contract respectively. However, if any candidate has completed 3 years of tenure as a trainee engineer in BEL and has applied for the post of project engineer post, he or she will be direct inducted as project engineer 2. The remuneration of such candidates will be rupees 45,000 for the first year, rupees 50,000 for second year and rupees 55,000 for the third year. The overall tenure will be limited to 3 years only. Post qualification experience as on 1/2/2023. Candidate should possess minimum 2 years relevant industrial experience in software domain, mainly experience in software development using any one or more of the following program languages: C, C++, Java, web technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or experience in software testing, or experience in system administration in brackets Linux, Windows, or RDBMS. Mode of selection. The mode of selection shall be through the walk-in selection at 3 centers, Jammu, Ranchi, and Guwahati. Interested candidates may clearly choose the location they would like to attend the walk-in selection in online application link, Google form appended to this advertisement. How to register? Candidates are required to register online through the Google form. Registration received in any other format will not be considered. Candidates are to register online using the link given below. The candidates are requested to Google Chrome for filling the Google form successively. Shortlisted candidates will be carried out purely based upon the information declared by the candidates in online application form. If at any future stage of selection it is found that candidates have declared false information with respect to their credentials, Bell reserves the right to debar them at any stage. So this is the details regarding the project engineer post in Software SBU Bangalore. So do subscribe, like, share our video for the needy aspirants. Thank you.